Welcome back friends, and in today's video I am going to explain you how to fix Google account synchronization error in your Android phone. If you are getting this message, means synchronization is currently having trouble in your mobile phone. Basically what is happening nowadays, all the devices are linked with Google account, and if you are changing anything in one mobile, it is automatically getting transferred to every linked devices, your mail, contacts, calendars, photos which are stored in the Google Drive. So if you are facing this problem, this is a big issue. Now the reason for this is maybe anything. Wi-Fi or mobile data connections are poor, auto sync is not turned on, or relevant permissions for the applications may be turned off, the application version, the Android operating system version is too low, then maybe cache memory is there, turning on power saving mode may be the cause of getting Android phone to stop syncing. So if you are having this problem and you want to fix it, I am going to tell you 9-10 fixes you need to check and verify in your mobile. Before doing anything, just check your internet speed. If your internet speed is too low, just try another internet with the greater speed, and if it is okay, then first thing you need to check whether automatic synchronization is turned or not. This is a Samsung mobile. I will show you where it is. Go to the settings from here, swipe it down, tap on the settings, find accounts and backups, and in accounts and backups, as soon as you will touch the manage accounts, all the accounts will open. I will show you. So here you can see manage accounts, and here auto sync data. This, if this is off, you may face the difficulty, so you need to confirm that this is on, auto sync data is on. If it is on and you are still getting the problem, then try to hard restart your Android phone. For your Android phone, you can this is Samsung. I will tell in this Samsung, you can Google it for your Android version how to hard restart. For Samsung, just pressing power on button and minus button for 10 to 15 seconds, it will automatically restart the phone, and this is called for hard restart. Just press power on button and this volume down key simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. So if your phone is working now, the auto sync is working, that is good. If it is not working, then try to manually synchronize, means try to manually send, but this is not good. Means just open, if you want to manually sync drive, then open, then plus, then upload from here. So this is manually synchronization of data. If it is not happening, then what do you need to do? Update the application. Go to the Play Store and find here any updates. It is asking for any updation or not. If it is asking for any updation, go and update this application. After updation, if it is still not working, then clear the cache. How? Just long press it. This I button is coming, press here, go to the storage, and from here clear data, clear cache. Do it, nothing will go. And after that, if it is reconnecting, I think after doing all these activities, it will sync automatically. If it is not acting, means it is not connecting, then try that your date and time is good or not. Go to the setting, search for date and time, and see here date and time is automatic, date and time is there or not. So you need to check date and time, it should be correct one. If after this, next method is update your Android operating system. Go to here, search for software update, and download and install. Check here if any update is available, just install the available update, and after that your problem might get solved. If it is still not solving, then delete and re-add your Google account. How it can be done? By go to the setting, go to the accounts, and 1 minute, where is there, I will accounts and backup, and here manage account. In manage account you can go and remove. I will show you one. So just open it. I have opened one, and then remove account, and then try to add. Now go back. If after adding the synchronization process is starting, that is very good. If it is not happening, then restore factory setting in your mobile. How it can be done? But it can only be done when you have all the data backed up and you know how to restore that data. So if you know all the things, then only do this factory reset. How you will do? Go to the setting, then go search for reset, go to reset, then reset. Here factory data reset. Just do only when you have all the data backed up and you know how to restore the data. If after doing all the activities which I have told you in this video, your problem is still there, then please try to seek the professional help. Go to authorized service center and seek professional help. This is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video and if this video is helpful, then please do consider to subscribe this channel and share it with family and friends. That's all. Thank you very much.